It is indeed my joy and privilege to congratulate Ilama Tahir Abbas on behalf of my international interfaith community in the Great Britain and beyond. It's wonderful that he has managed to organize a Pakistan interfaith group, and on 5th of February, which is a Kashmir Day, is launching, and I want to congratulate to TALKTV and also the group he has formed from different universities and different level of Pakistan. May God continue to bring peace, unity and harmony in our subcontinent, to bring peace and harmony through interfaith. And I wish peace in Kashmir, in Pakistan and in India. By the grace of God, you're all in our thoughts and prayers, and wish you all the best. Have a wonderful, wonderful day of celebration, this day of 5th of February. You're all in on my thoughts and prayer, and I am ambassador for peace and want peace, especially in our beloved homeland, Pakistan and India and Kashmir and everywhere in the world. Peace is what we all need. May the peace of our God Almighty be with you all now and forevermore. Amen. So, Amen.